Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mohammed Sir. Exploring the elegance of probability distribution, unraveling the mathematical foundation. Contents: Introduction, random variable, sample space, commutation distribution function, discrete probability distribution, continuous probability distribution, Poisson distribution. Introduction. The presentation will be explored the fundamental concept and application of the probability theory by examining the fundamental concept of the properties. We, we aim to provide a deeper understanding to how sample space plays a role in data analysis, probability theory, and decision making process. The meaning of probability is basically the extent of the something is likely to happen. Random variables. A random variable representation uncertain quantities and takes a different values with certain probabilities. Understanding a random variable is essential in modeling the analyzing random phenomena. In a probability, a random variable is a real valued function. Those who domain a sample space of random experiment. Sample space. A sample space is a collection of or a set of possible outcomes of a random experiment. The sample space is represented using the symbol S. The subset of possible outcomes of an experiment is called event. A sample space may contain a number of outcomes that depends on the experiment. If it contains a finite number of outcomes, then it is known as discrete or finite sample space. Example: cumulative distribution function. The cumulative distribution function, a real valued random variable x reevaluated at x, is probability function that x will be taken less than or equal to x. It is used to describe a probability distribution of a random variable in a table, and with the help of this data we can easily create plot in an Excel sheet. Example: describe a discrete probability distribution. Discrete probability distribution is a type of a probability distribution that shows all possible values of random variable along with the associated probability. In other words, a discrete probability distribution given the likelihood of occurrence of each possible value of a discrete random variable. Geometrical distribution, binomial distribution, or some commonly used discrete probability distribution. Continuous probability distribution, a probability distribution in which random variable x can take an any value because there is infinite values that x could not assume. The probability of x taking on any one specific value is zero. Therefore, we often to speak range of the values. The normal distribution is one of the example. Continuous distribution, the probability that x falls between two values a and b equal to integer area under the curve from a to b. Poisson distribution. A Poisson distribution is a described probability function that means the variable can only take specific value in a given list of a number probable infinite. A Poisson distribution measures how many times an event is likely to occur within X period of time. Poisson distribution is used to under certain condition there are the number of trials n tends to be infinity. Probability of success p tends to 0, np is equal to 1 in infinite. Example. Thank you.